If you suffer from neuropathy, you know the burning, tingling, and numbness all too well. For decades, conventional medicine has treated this condition by prescribing pain blockers and anti-seizure medications that simply dull the nervous system. But what if you could actually repair the frayed wires? Your peripheral nerves are like electrical wires. They have an inner conductive core called the axon and an outer protective insulation called the myelin sheath. Neuropathy occurs when either of these structures is compromised by physical trauma, high blood sugar, or toxic exposure. The key to repairing this damage lies in specialized glial cells called Schwann cells. These cells are responsible for rebuilding the myelin sheath and guiding new axons as they grow back. But under normal conditions, this regeneration is agonizingly slow, roughly 1 millimeter per day. This is where lion's mane mushroom changes everything. Research shows that the erinacines found in lion's mane mycelium directly stimulate Schwann cells. By upregulating nerve growth factor, lion's mane acts as a natural catalyst, accelerating the remyelination process far beyond the body's normal capacity. The clinical proof is staggering. In a landmark 2011 study on peripheral nerve crush injuries, subjects given lion's mane extract achieved a 95% functional recovery by week 4. The control group, only 25%. Lion's mane performed as well as standard pharmaceutical treatments. Beyond physical trauma, lion's mane addresses metabolic and toxic nerve damage. For diabetic neuropathy and chemotherapy-induced nerve damage, it significantly reduces pro-inflammatory cytokines and oxidative stress, addressing the root cause of neuropathic pain rather than merely blocking the signal. Want to dive deeper into the clinical science of how lion's mane accelerates peripheral nerve repair and provides natural neuropathy relief? Click the link in the description below to read our complete guide on root-level healing. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into holistic health.